Sampurasan, this video will discuss the Sunda Rahayu gate. Sunda is not merely a language, nor just traditional clothing or ceremonies. So irrelevant or outdated. But culture is not a burden of the past. It is a guide for how we live today.
Gapura Sunda Rahayu means the gateway to well-being and cultural harmony. Gapura is a gate, an entrance to understanding. Rahayu represents safety, balance, and peace, both physically and spiritually. This channel was created as a gateway, a place to rediscover the wisdom of Sundanese culture, its philosophy, history, and way of life. In Sundanese philosophy, there is a powerful principle called Silih Asah. It means educating one another, sharing knowledge, and growing together. True intelligence is not about competing. It is about lifting each other through wisdom. Another core value is Silih Asih, mutual love and compassion. It teaches us to see others not as rivals, but as fellow human beings. In Sundanese life, kindness is strength. Respect and empathy form the foundation of harmony. Then comes Silih Asuh, guiding, protecting, and caring for one another. It reminds us that leadership is responsibility, not dominance. The elders guide the young, and the young honor the wisdom of their elders. The Sundanese people are known for some hadeka soma, warm hospitality toward guests. It is not just politeness, it is a sincere expression of openness and respect. These values are not meant to stay in the past. They are deeply relevant in today's world, a world facing division, conflict, and disconnection. Sundanese wisdom teaches balance between humans and nature, between tradition and progress, between the physical and the spiritual. Gapura Sunda Rahayu exists to preserve and share this wisdom. Here we will explore Sundanese philosophy, historical stories, traditional symbols, and the values that shape a meaningful life. This channel is not about nostalgia. It is about relevance. By understanding our roots, we strengthen our identity. By honoring our culture, we shape a better future. Welcome to Gapura Sunda Rahayu, a gateway to cultural wisdom, a return to who we truly are.